Hi everyone, it's Andy from Hobby Headquarters, and as you can see in front of you, I had a major catastrophe happen with the main building, the big giant factory building for my factory diorama that I was working on. Everything else was working out really good. I'm going to kind of pan over here, let you see how everything was looking good. I was getting it all painted up, working on that little by little, and then I had a clever idea, I thought, to move the office building a little bit further back because of the building itself didn't have a lot of depth. As you can see right here, it doesn't go back very far. So I decided to move it back a little bit, and I was cutting into this portion right here because I want the building to fit flush up against it. And I started to chisel it out, but what happened was I was holding this part of the building, hitting it with the chisel, and I bumped it, and the rest of the building separated from this, and it hit the ground. It just hit the ground, as you can see right here, shattered into many pieces. And for a brief moment, I thought maybe I could glue it back together, but I don't think so. I mean, the only option for this right here is to do a 1945 factory that's all bombed out, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to do one that's complete. So it's gonna take a while to get a replacement for this here. I have all of the wood parts. I have all of the the other accessories. It's mainly just, and actually I even have the side of the building, one side of the building. So I just need to get the window side as well as the front of this replaced. I don't know how long it's going to take to do on that. I am going to continue on working on the diorama because there's a bunch of other things that I need to do, like vehicles. Also, reach over and grab this. I picked this up this morning from my warehouse. These concrete telegraph poles, also light poles too. And I thought, oh, there's 4 of them inside here. It'll look great on there. I was super excited to get started on this again this morning. And the first thing I did was I said, I'm going to work on that little building so I can start painting up the big one. And then this happened right here. And with the destruction of this building here, I think what's going to happen too is there's a few other options I was looking at. That this particular building is available in a few other different forms. The front is all the same, but they have some longer versions or some pieces that have like an overhang on it. I'll show you a picture of those right here, right now. With that, I'll get some more base plates, and maybe we can extend the shape of the factory out a little bit. We'll still have this big building in the middle here, but maybe we can move the smokestack over further or something. A lot of different possibilities. I do want to see what they have available that I can get sent out to me, and then once I do, I'll be able to make that decision and then start working forward on that. I'm sad about this, but I also can't help but just kind of laugh about what an idiot I was not to hold on to it better. But hey, it'll get fixed, and we'll move on, and we'll work on this building maybe in a month or two when we get a replacement for it. So this is just going to be a real quick update. So if you don't see any updates on the actual building, of the factory, you'll understand why. Like I said, I will start again on the vehicles and maybe some of the other things, the accessory stuff. But I want to take a brief moment away from this whole thing for a bit, just so I don't end up breaking anything else in the meantime. So I want to thank you as always for watching, and please stay tuned. There will be more videos coming, including when we finally get the replacement for this and fix it up and paint it